Drone safety, flying responsibly. Hello everyone, and welcome to today's video. We're going to explore the important topic of drone safety. Drones are becoming increasingly popular, and with that, it's crucial to know how to operate them responsibly. So, let's dive into the world of drones and learn how to fly safely. Drone safety involves following rules and guidelines that ensure the security of the operators, the public, and airspace. It's not just about the safety of the drone itself, but also about respecting the privacy and peace of others. In this section, we'll cover the basic do's and don'ts of flying a drone. From keeping your drone within sight to not flying near airports, these guidelines are essential for any drone operator. Did you know that in many places, you need to register your drone? We'll go through the legal requirements that you need to be aware of before you start flying. Modern drones come with a variety of safety features. We'll explore geofencing, return-to-home functions, and obstacle avoidance systems that help keep your drone flights safe and enjoyable. What do you do if something goes wrong? In this crucial section, we'll discuss how to respond to emergencies and the importance of having a pre-flight checklist. Thank you for watching. We hope this video has given you a solid understanding of drone safety. Remember, safe flying is responsible flying. Until next time, keep soaring high, but safely.